What if you just take a couple?
On February 16th, 2022, Mr. Lee was driving southbound in Chambers County, Texas. A construction company had been negligently dumping massive amounts of debris directly on the road adjacent to their work site. So when the rains came, that debris turned into a dangerous mud. Another driver lost control in that mud and slammed head-on into Mr. Lee's vehicle. Mr. Lee was rushed to the hospital. Now, the police report was clear. It laid the fault solely on the person who hit him. But that was just the surface. Alberto Lee had sustained serious injuries. His medical bills alone exceeded $277,000. And then there was the pain and suffering that damages no spreadsheet can fully capture. When Mr. Lee came to us, he had already been told by other attorneys what his case was worth, $30,000. A fraction of what his injuries actually cost. I looked at this case and I didn't just see a car crash. I saw what caused the car crash. A construction company leaving dangerous debris on a public roadway. A major steel company failed to oversee their work. A national waste management giant was also contributing hazardous conditions on that same stretch of road. 3 major corporate defendants who all had the insurance, had the resources, and who all believed they could escape accountability. They had big law firms. They had resources. They believed that if they made this litigation exhausting enough, we would fold. We did not fold. We pushed through every obstacle they threw at us. After all of the resources trying to make this go away, they came to the table and asked us what it would take. We told them, and they paid it. A confidential settlement, high 6 figures, life-changing money.
It's gonna do some changes for us, real good changes. Like my wife said, we were expecting like in the 30s, and when you sent that over, I was stunned. I had to walk outside of my job for a little while. I was stunned. I didn't know what to think.
We made Mr. Lee's case undeniable, and sometimes the right attorney with the right background can see what others miss.
We fought very hard, and we got a fantastic result for you and your wife and your family, and we'll do it again.
My name is Colby Lewis. We're here for you.